You would agree with me that the Dubai fragrances and the bottling and the boxing is surprisingly beautiful. You do get some very exquisite bottles and very exquisite packaging on bottles. And one of the brands that do that as well is called Arabia Prestige. Now, we all are aware and know Arabia Prestige, but the last couple of months they are really booming with their fragrances and the quality and smell of the fragrances. And not just the smell and quality, but the packaging is also very amazing. Today, I want to share with you a lovely ladies' fragrance by Arabia Prestige, which is called Ruby. It's a Baya Ruby, and I just quickly want to show, like I said, I don't normally do unboxing, but this is very special, and I would like to share it with you. I know most of you already know the fragrance, saw it in 10 to 1, also smelt it, but for those that don't know it or aware of it, I want to show this to you. So I'm going to turn a little bit to my side, and I want to just open the box for you and then just show you what this looks like. Now, this is very lovely, and it's like a little goblet full of something to drink, which is awesome. I think it's a very beautiful presentation for a lady's fragrance, and I think it's a showstopper, and it's also a nice thing when friends visit. You can show them your fragrance selection, and you can show them then your nice goblet, which is actually an upside down bottle of fragrance, and that is just nice. So Arabia Prestige, there is another one of these, but I decided on the Ruby because I like the dark smells of this one. This one, which is very nice, it has all the tones on the box, on the lid, and it shows then it's a blood orange, rum, top notes, and a mandarin blackcurrant. It also has a bit of caramel in it and a bit of vanilla in it, and you do pick it up immediately in the beginning, but this is you can say a dark fragrance, because of the rum and the blackcurrant and the blood orange, but it's a beautiful fragrance, and it smells delicious. It smells like you can drink it and you can enjoy it. And in this case, you just smell it and enjoy it. This is a beautiful fragrance, and I love it to bits. I love the presentation. I love all the type of these presentations that it impresses people, and you can always put this on a nice mantle in your room or in your house where you put all your other fragrances, and they will enjoy looking at this, and it's also a nice conversation starter. So, ladies, this is Arabia Prestige by Ruby with the most loveliest fragrance and top notes. I believe you will definitely enjoy walking around smelling like a ruby, and that is very nice. Guys, you can get this bottle. I think I purchased it about 3-4 months ago after testing it, and I think I paid 680 Rand for it. It's still a bit high, but I mean, if you save up a little bit, you can buy this. You will not be disappointed. It's a 100 ml bottle. It will last you long, especially when you've got other bottles as well, other fragrance bottles as well. So you will enjoy this very much. I think if you like this one, you will definitely like the other one as well. I have not smelled it yet, but I will definitely in the future purchase that as well and do a nice review on this. But for now, I would suggest as well, I can say that Arabia Prestige by Ruby is a beautiful fragrance for the ladies, and you will enjoy it.